Part 1. Software installation.
Enter the above URL in the browser, enter the software download interface, and click the corresponding download entrance. Unzip the installation package and install the driver first. To install the software, click More Info, and then click Run Anyway.
Part 2. Basic software operation.
Click the Maximize Engraving Area icon. We select the toolbar on the left and create a rectangle and a circle. Switch to the Selection tool, select the two graphics, and select the top toolbar to align the graphics. In the selected state, the mouse will turn into a palm state when placed on the wireframe of the graphic, and the graphic can be dragged. Select the graphic and place the mouse on the dot in the middle to drag the graphic directly. The right mouse button can move the canvas, and the scroll wheel can zoom the canvas. Select the Tool T icon on the left to create text, and click the Layer mode on the right to change Line to Fill. You can also generate a QR code directly. Click the Open File icon in the upper left corner to load a picture. Select the border to scale the image size, or set the image height in the H column above to adjust the size. Double-click the color block of the layer to set the engraving parameters. Select the Move sidebar and adjust the speed and distance. In the connected state, we can control the laser to move above the engraving object to facilitate focusing. The power value is set here to set the light intensity during preview for easy observation. Click Save File to save the project settings for next time engraving.
Part 3. Computer engraving.
Rotate the focus pin of the protective cover vertically downward, loosen the handle screw, and when the focus pin touches the engraving, retract the focus pin. Tighten the handle screw. Connect the Type-C end of the data cable to the machine and the USB end to the computer. Plug in the power cord. Open the emergency stop knob and start the machine. When we open the protective cover, the indicator light starts flashing and the engraving cannot be performed. Click Settings, find $180, and change 1 to 0, which means turning off the protective shield function. Open the protective cover. The indicator light is still on, which means you can engrave with the protective cover open. Open the software, click Login/Register, and log into your registered account. We will select this example for engraving and cutting demonstration, center it. Double-click the color layer to set the cutting parameters of Layer 1, and the engraving parameters of Layer 2 respectively. We can also create a new circle, select the color number in the lower left corner, define it as a new color layer and set it as the cutting parameter. We select all the patterns and drag them, click Preview, and perform multiple operations to confirm the correct engraving position. Because we have connected the machine via a data cable, so this is the connected state before the machine can be operated. Click Start, the machine starts engraving.